So we are starting new project. We are out in the country and there's not much to see now, but it used to be an office. We are on a slab and this will be a new bathroom. So we have it's almost hard to see the outline on the floor, but there will be a zigzag wall and all the plumbing, oh, here we go a little bit. We already have lines on the concrete. And the advanced cutting guys just rolled in, so we'll cut the slab for the plumbing because we have none here. But this will be a nice, interesting bathroom project. So stay tuned for more coming soon. And now the slab is all cut out for our new plumbing. So you can see there'll be a vanity here on the left. And this is the size of the shower where we have to get the pipes in and then pour a lowered slab than the rest because, as you probably know me, we'll go obviously curbless linear drain and have a toilet somewhere halfway here. And so this was day one and it was real fun. These guys from Advanced Cutting know what they are doing. So digging starts tomorrow. And now with the plumbing all inspected under the slab, we've got a green light to fill it all back in and we are ready to pour some concrete to fill up the slab and carry on with the project. And we put these little boards here because, as you probably know, for the curbless shower, we have to drop this the slab under the shower lower than the rest of the floor to be nice and smooth, curbless right in. And now all the concrete is in and we have the slab dropped for the shower tray, so nothing keeps us from start framing the wall between the bathroom and the future closet. And this little styrofoam square, there's a clean out for the pipe going through a septic system just when we are thinking what that is, and we can get going with our bathroom. So stay tuned for more.